Well, we're going to show you these new Chelsea bone china teacup and saucer sets made in pattern 3063, which is the pink cherry blossom design used by New Chelsea. Brandings on these are made by plants, so New Chelsea, Royal Chelsea, and a couple of other brands would have maybe featured the same transfer design in various different shapes and combinations, but these are absolutely elegant and absolutely classic for New Chelsea china of the period 1920s 1930s we're talking about. There is the pattern reference number on the base, decorators mark 3063A, and New Chelsea staffs made in England fine bone china. Lovely open bowl teacup, slight flaring on the just the top of the rims, as you can see. Quite a high elongated or oblong shaped handle with a not really possible for a man to get his finger through there on support, so you end up holding it sideways, which is probably why the gilt round the outer aspect is in such good condition. In fact, the teacups generally are in absolutely fine antique condition, really nice and clean. It's that beautiful pink, let me get that in focus, blockwork on the inner wall of the teacup that really makes these stand out. As you can see, the outer side very plain indeed, but it just pings, particularly when it sits on this beautiful little saucer. I think it's just over 5 3/8 inches from memory when we measured this, but all the measurements on this are on the actual website listing. Again, matching New Chelsea staffs made in England bone china marks on the base. Very, very clean, very, very pretty, beautiful pink and green. Quite dense blockwork, as you can see. They've covered almost the surface and it goes over into the saucer well, but no signs of wear or marks on there from the teacup sitting in it for almost, well, 100 years now. There's the upward elevation on it. Beautiful sets, really pretty, fine condition, English bone china. New Chelsea 3063 pattern design, pink cherry blossom in these lovely shapes. We've got 3 of them available for sale online currently. If you follow the link description below, it will take you through to the website listing and give you all the information you'd need to make a deciding choice as to whether you'd like one of these in your collection or not. 3 of them available. Once they're gone, they're gone. We do have some other New Chelsea and Royal Chelsea designs, mainly sort of pink rosebud rather than the cherry blossom. These are quite unusual, and I've not seen this particular design very often on the internet, so a rare opportunity to purchase some really good quality sets. Thanks for watching.